Here we have some more breaking news coming our way. Congress MPs, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other party leaders, staged a protest at the Makar Dwar of the Parliament against Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the alleged police action against CJP protesters during the July 20th Parliament march. Now, the MPs are demanding accountability over the handling of the protests. तो संजय जी, हमने प्रोटेस्ट भी देखा आज मकर द्वार के सामने ओपोजिशन पार्टी लीडर्स से, इसके बारे में हमें बताएं।
देखिए, कल भी हमने देखा था लोकसभा में जिस तरह से डिबेट चल रही थी, जब 70,000 बिल पर, पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन बिल पर जब डिबेट चल रही थी, तब कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से, अपोजिशन पार्टी की तरफ से बार बार ये कहा गया कि छात्रों पर लाठीचार्ज हुआ है, उन पर गोलियां चलाई गई, उन पर पैलेट गन छोड़ी गई, उन पर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े गए और जिस तरीके से छात्रों पर अत्याचार किया है पुलिस ने, वो बिना होम मिनिस्टर के इशारे के नहीं हो सकता। उनका कहना था कि होम मिनिस्टर सदन में आकर के जवाब दें और होम मिनिस्टर को इस पर जवाब देना चाहिए और अपनी तरफ से एक क्लैरिफिकेशन देना चाहिए कि किसके कहने पर आखिर ये पैलेट गन चलाई गई पुलिस के द्वारा, AK-47 तक का यूज हुआ, ये तक कहना था कांग्रेस के नेताओं का। तो आज संसद में मकर गेट के बाहर भी आज कांग्रेस और अपोजिशन पार्टी ने प्रदर्शन किया, प्रोटेस्ट किया और केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह के खिलाफ नारेबाजी की गई, उनको सदन में आकर के वक्तव्य देने की मांग की। हमने कल भी देखा था LOP राहुल गांधी ने जब बोलना शुरू किया था तो उन्होंने चैलेंज किया था कि अमित शाह में हिम्मत नहीं कि वो आकर के सदन में बैठे। उसको लेकर के बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता, बीजेपी के नेता काफी उत्तेजित हो गए थे और उन्होंने राहुल गांधी का सबसे विरोध करना शुरू किया।
जी संजय, आप हमारे साथ बने रहे एज वी कंटिन्यू टू ट्रैक सम मोर डेवलपमेंट्स फ्रॉम द पार्लियामेंट। Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said that Union Home Minister Amit Shah should come to the House when asked whether he should attend the Parliament today. Her remarks come amid the opposition's demand for accountability over the alleged police action during the July 20th CJP protests. Let's in fact listen into that statement.
क्या अमित शाह को आना चाहिए हाउस की डिमांड कर रही हैं आप? क्या अमित शाह को आना चाहिए हाउस की डिमांड कर रही हैं आप? क्या अमित शाह को इस पे खड़ा है?
देखिए, ये चाहे यूनिफॉर्म बदल लें, ये एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में भी अपनी इतिहास को बदलने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ भी कर लें। आपने देखा हमारे देश के युवा क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में। हमारे देश के युवा सारे जंतर मंतर में जितने भी इकट्ठे हुए थे, वो क्या कह रहे थे इसके बारे में आप सबने सुना। ये देश की आवाज़ है। ये देश, इस देश की आज़ादी के लिए जो लड़ाई लड़ी गई वो अहिंसा और सत्य पर आधारित थी, उसमें RSS कहीं नहीं थी और पूरे देश को असलियत मालूम है और जिनको नहीं पता था उनको आज पता चल रहा है कि इनकी नीयत क्या है। तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने महात्मा गांधी जी की अगुवाई में ये आंदोलन किया था और ये देश, इस देश की जो आत्मा है ना, उसमें अहिंसा, सत्य, भाईचारा है। कोई उसे निकाल नहीं सकता। RSS वाले नहीं निकाल सकते, कोई नहीं निकाल सकता। चाहे कितनी भी फूट फैलाएं, कितनी भी हिंसा फैलाएं, कितनी भी घृणा फैलाएं, अंत में इस देश की एक आत्मा है भाईचारे की, आपसी प्रेम की, सबकी एकता की, और वो कोई उनमें से निकाल नहीं सकता।
फायरिंग की बात कही, मंत्री ने सदन के अंदर कह दिया कि फायरिंग हुई ही नहीं है और
आप बताइए, तो उस लड़के जो राहुल जी आपके सामने लाए थे, उस लड़के को, उसके पूरे शरीर में पैलेट्स कहाँ से आई? आसमान से गिर गई? बस छोड़ दीजिए।
To my colleague Anand Singh, who joins us on this broadcast. Anand, we're looking at this statement coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She's obviously stating that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah should come, attend the Parliament, answer the questions and the claims that are being made.
Yes, look, the way in which the Congress has been very critical of the government and the way in which it has been demanding that why Union Home Minister Amit Shah was not present in the House when the leader of opposition was speaking. on the anti-paper leak bill, and they demanded that the Home Minister should be present. And the way in which there were pellet guns were fired, despite some of the ministers in the House saying that no lethal weapons were used, Priyanka Gandhi very categorically said that Rahul Gandhi has brought one of the students, Sahil, in front of the media with the pellet gun injury, and he is all set to lose his one eyesight. He asked that from where did he get this injury? From where did this pellet gun injury come to him? And how did he get the pellet guns shot in his body? So these are the questions that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra asked, and she said that the intent, especially of the BJP, is not correct, and this is the reason why the people of the country, they have understood that whatever BJP is saying, it is just trying to divert the issue from the students, and they are trying to make politicize it, because the students have been injured, they are being threatened, and the people who had not known about the excesses of the police on the students during the protest, now they are coming to know the reality with what is being said in Parliament, the way in which the opposition is putting the facts. As opposition members today also staged a protest near Makar Dwar in Parliament, checking why Home Minister is absent, who will seek responsibility and accountability for the excesses that the police has done by firing tear gas cells, by using pellet guns, by using shock batons, by using lathi charge and batons with nails. These all questions that the opposition has raised in Parliament, and also the use of the AK-47 assault rifle during a student protest in Bihar. So Priyanka Gandhi was very critical of the government, and she asked why Home Minister is not taking accountability, why he is not coming into the House when the House is running for the past several days. Back to you.
Absolutely, Anand. And when we're looking at these statements, is there a strategy that the opposition is going with? Will they allow the Lok Sabha to function? Because we saw as soon as the Lok Sabha resumed, the business of the House was disrupted.
The way in which the opposition has been seeking accountability from the government, and the way in which leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, yesterday alleged that he was not allowed to speak, while several of the ministers got the opportunity to speak in House, and then they offered him a resolution that if he apologizes to the House, to the BJP, for making comments on Union Home Minister Amit Shah, then the House will function. Now, the opposition has got a fresh ammo, as Rahul Gandhi yesterday, while addressing a press conference, very categorically mentioned that the accountability of Union Home Minister Amit Shah is non-negotiable, and Prime Minister should sack Amit Shah. Now, the opposition, they have strategized that they will be seeking accountability of Home Minister, as Dharmendra Pradhan has already resigned as Education Minister of the country, and now it is accountability lies with Amit Shah. Thus, he should answer in the House that how pellet guns were used, how lethal weapons were used, and this is the issue on which the opposition is trying to corner the government in Parliament, as there are
All
several
right.
more
Thank you
days
so
left.
much, Anand. We'll keep coming back to you through the course of the day as the Parliament functions, but we have some more breaking news coming our way.